Welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you how to actually play ROOBET on your phone. I had a few requests in the comments on a video before to do a video on how to play on your phone, so this is that video. Before we get into today's video, I want to say thank you so much for the support I've been getting. I've gotten over 50 subs in the past month, and I hope to keep growing. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. For those of you that are in the United States and still want to play ROOBET, I will put a card up here for the video on how to play ROOBET in the United States. But for a quick synopsis, pretty much all you have to do is make an account on COINBASE, get third level verification, make yourself a ROOBET account, send money to ROOBET, and the only way to actually be able to play is if you this is the only VPN that's worked for me if you use a VPN. So go to ExpressVPN.com and sign up for that. But if you click on the link in my description of this video, you can get a free 30 days of ExpressVPN. What you're going to do is go to the App Store and or Google Play Store, whatever you have. Search for ExpressVPN. It is this red one right here. Click on it, click download. Make sure you use the link in the description of this video for free 30 days of ExpressVPN. Once it's downloaded, you're going to click on ExpressVPN. If you're in the United States, click on current VPN locations and click on Canada. This right here, once you click on Canada, it'll connect you to that server. What this does is it's even though you're still in the United States, it makes it so ROOBET thinks that you're actually in Canada, which is a legal place to play ROOBET on. So once you have that, you can go to Safari and play ROOBET. You can play all the games if you want, as you can see, and it works great, no problems. It's just on your phone on a smaller screen. No difference than playing on a big computer. If you want a full in-depth guide on how to play ROOBET in the United States, or just play ROOBET in general, click on the video in the description or on the card above and watch it, and you will learn how to play ROOBET. Thanks for watching.